Hi everybody, this is Sheila. Welcome back to the Crochet Nurse channel. Today what we're going to do is an unboxing of the Mary Maxim Crochet Club of the month. You can see this bag is pretty mangled here. If you like this kind of content, please hit the subscription button down below and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be informed if I have upcoming content. So, just so we can level set, last month I actually received my first Crochet Club of the Month kit from Mary Maxim. I wanted to try it out. I saw a few people online that actually are getting the kits and I thought it was interesting and wanted to see what it was all about. I didn't present it out to everybody just because I wanted to try it first. So the kit last month, we'll talk about what I did with it. It came with 2 patterns, and most of the internet already has this. Then we have it was a scarf pattern, and then it actually came with a sync-up pattern for a ponchette. It came with 3 balls of yarn, 2 balls of yarn were the Mary Maxim Simply Natural, which I showed this actually on another video. This is a 50-50 cotton bamboo blend, size 3, 245 yards, and I got 2 of these. And as I showed you just now on the pattern, it recommended that to be made a ponchette. This is my Sink-It skein, and this is what I have left. I did make the ponchette a small to medium size. Let me grab that right here. And I shared before that red is really not my color to wear. I like it. It's pretty to look at, but I wouldn't wear it. So I went ahead and I made the ponchette per the design, per the pattern that's in the booklet. And this is what it turned out like. It actually was quite nice to work with. The yarn itself, I would buy it again. It's definitely a nice yarn. It drapes really well. No problems, no splitting, super soft yarn. And as you can see, it really turned out nice, just like the pattern showed that it would. The pattern itself was very easy to follow, and so if you're fairly new to crochet, it'd take you a few stops and starts, but you could follow this pattern. And like I say, it's a nicely written little pamphlet. The yarn itself, on the Mary Maxim site, this is $3.99 per ball for that 245 yards. The Sink-It pattern that was on here is the scarf. I did not make the scarf. For this scarf, they sent a Ella Ray Sun-Kissed speckled yarn. What was it? 262 yards, 100% cotton, and on the Mary Maxim site, it was $7.99. They didn't have any more because I wanted a Sink-It ball to make something else because I didn't want to make this scarf, but they didn't have any, so I didn't make this scarf. Like I said, I wanted to make something else, so instead, what I did with it is I created a little, get rid of that, little face towel, and then some face scrubbies. So you can see for the face scrubbies, some of them have the little pattern of puff stitches, and it's very pretty. And then I made, to go with it, a face towel. Very, and you can see the pattern there. It was a 3-row repeater for that pattern. I used up the 265 or 262 yards making this face towel and 4 scrubbers, and then this is what I have left over. Might be enough there to make another little scrubber. This yarn, like I say, is super soft. Again, very easy to work with. 100% cotton, but it's a really soft cotton, and it's made in Italy. And this color was in the colorway, I think it was Paradise. Like I said, check Mary Maxim if they didn't have any more, or I would have gotten more of this. I think it's gone. I'm really having a hard time finding it anywhere else. But that's what I did with the items from last month. So I was not disappointed. I paid $7.99 for the kit last month plus $7.74 shipping, 16. So it's roughly almost 17, a little over $17. And this is what I was able to make from it. Plus, I have another skein of yarn left over, almost a full skein of yarn here left over to make something else. Did not think that was a bad deal. So let's move on to this month. Okay, let me get rid of this. Let me grab my scissors. And let's see what we got. Okay, let's see what we got in there. I'm very excited. I didn't think I would like it, opening up stuff like this so much, but I really do. Now, I showed you this bag is mangled right there. You can actually see somebody's footprint. So let's get in here. And I was like, are you kidding? I could see somebody's footprint in there. And then take a little peek. Ooh, this looks pretty so far. I want to cut the bag. Uh-oh, that might be some dark yarn. There's my receipt. We'll talk about that in a second. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at those colors. Oh boy. I'll pull them out in a minute. Let's look. Okay. That's 3 balls. So we're going to take a look at this. First, let's look at how much it costs, okay? Look at this together. So what are we saying here? $14.99, $7.95 shipping. So it costs $22.94 this month. So $14.99, $7.95. We'll see the value of that. Okay. So we pop that aside. All right. Ooh, that looks pretty. Of course, it comes with this bag. I liked it last month with the bag that came in. It comes with this nice plastic bag. This bag is bigger than the one that I got last month. So let's get in there. Let's first look at the pattern. Oh, I think I'll make that. Oh, yeah. There is enough yarn included, and they put a down here at the bottom. Dear customer, please note there's enough yarn included to make the tunic in any size up to 1X. Extra yarn can be used to make a summery scarf or wrap. Yeah, okay. This is a Yarn Inspirations pattern, so it is a free pattern. Red heart, rainbow, and that's what the pattern is for this month. I believe I've seen this pattern somewhere else. A little pamphlet. Oh, look at the back. Look at that. I would wear that. I like those colors. Special stitches. It is a Yarn Inspirations. It says the crochet skill level is easy. So easy I like. I like easy. So we'll see what we got. Let's look at the yarn. So, and then we'll look it up. Again, nice bag. Has the pouch, which I liked that last month, so you could stick your needle in that in there, and hooks in there. So this looks like red heart. It's a wrap yarn. Let's get in here. Take one out. Got 3 of them. Oh, that's pretty soft. Oh my goodness. Okay. So 55% acrylic, 45% cotton, 5.29 ounce, 150 gram, 623 yards per ball. Oh my goodness, this is a size 1. Wow, okay. Super fine, size 1. That's a little scary. Not sure I like that. But I'm not minding the colors. So 3 balls of this, so 1,800 yards. So let's see what this cost. Let's look at this here too. That is some super thin stuff there. Ooh, boy. That is very fine. I wonder why. There it is. At least we got the end. That's helpful. Wow, look at that. Look at how that looks. Yeah. So that is some pretty fine. And what needle size is it recommending? For one ball, like I say, is 635, and it is 4mm. So it's recommended a 4mm hook, 22 stitches. Machine wash cold, gentle cycle, dry flat, do not bleach, do not iron. I bet not. Not with that kind of twist. This reminds me of something I've seen at Michael's recently with that kind of a twist. I bet it doesn't. Yeah, I definitely would make that. Let's see how much this red heart, it's a wrap. Let's see how much it costs. Red, you guys know I typically don't deal with red heart, so I have no idea how this will be to work with at all, because I just don't deal with it. So let me go to Joanne, because that's, you know, my haunt that I go to a lot. You guys know that. So red heart, it's a wrap. It is saying regular price is $11.99. Really? $11.99 per. Right now it's on sale for $9.59. Who knew? Let me look at Yarn Inspirations, because this is red heart. So let's look there real quick. So Yarn Inspirations, it is $9.99. So let's go with that price. So let's go with the price of $9.99, which means I got 3 of these at $9.99 a piece. Of course, we can do the math. That's easy math. We're talking $30 if we paid full price. And for my kit, and I already shared with you, it was $22.94. Pattern was a free pattern, so that was a freebie this month. So in general, I would look at patterns and say anywhere from $3 to $5, but that one was kind of free if we wanted to tack that on and say, okay, it was, you know, $3 for the pattern, so $33 for the kit, and I paid, like I say, I paid $22. So I don't think that's a bad deal. I don't think that's a bad deal at all. Let's figure out yardage. So that's what the kit is going to be this month for everybody. But let's say it's $9.99, and let's figure out how much this is per yard, or per 100, because you guys know I like to do that. I said it was 623. It is, at full price, it's $1.60 per 100 yards. So what colorway is this? The last thing is going to be Couture. So it has black, some greens, some grays. This is interesting. I will make that item because I want to see how this yarn works up. I'm actually surprised how soft that yarn is, because you guys know I don't like red heart. So I'm actually surprised. I didn't think it would be this soft, but that teal, gray, and black, I suspect that's going to be really pretty and work up real nice. So anyway, so they're calling this the Lunar Tunic. So that is the Mary Maxim Crochet of the Month for July 2020. The unboxing. I will be making this, and I'll bring it to you next month, and we'll see how we like it. Okay? So everybody, have a great day. I think this, like I say, this was a great unboxing. Soft. I can't get over how soft that is. Okay. Anyway, I will chat with you guys soon. If you have any questions, comments, please leave them below, and I will see you next time. Have a great day.